Revamping your old car's paint, liquid glass coating is the ultimate all-rounder, nailing to core functions. First, it creates an ultra-thick physical protective layer on the paint over 10 times thicker than ceramic coatings. This not only repairs damaged areas, but also strongly resists external corrosion. Second, it seriously boosts the paint's shine, making dull surfaces glow like new. Here's the best part. Advanced self-leveling tech makes application a total breeze. Just deep, clean the paint, apply evenly, and done. And the cost, less than 1/10 of spray painting. No hassle. All results get that showroom finish without breaking the bank.